Well, drumroll please, the attraction we've all been waiting for. Welcome the arrival of Rhonda's Trollfest Express as she makes her presence known here in the park, now giving the hotel a run for some vertical pleasure on the horizon. Standing at a whopping 24 feet! At the highest point, we see the Sierra Forest Coast assembled. Now mind you, the coaster stands bare, its IP, cues, and support aesthetics will obviously fill this space. Now Frisco, you now have a roller coaster in your city. You're known as Sports City USA today. How about Space City USA to come? Who knows with Musk and his endeavors here in Texas? But for now, we will leave this here with Rhonda's Trollfest Express within the Trolls Land.